How to save and download Instagram messages. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video we will see how we can save and download Instagram messages. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Once you're on your home page, now navigate to your bottom right corner. There you'll find your profile icon. Tap on it. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Now again, from your profile page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the hamburger icon. Then you will land on settings and activity page. Here at the top there is an account center. Tap on it. Here scroll down a bit and under account setting there is an option that says your information and permissions. Tap on it. Now from this page, tap on download your information. Now again tap on the button that says download or transfer information in this interface. Here you have to choose your Instagram account, then tap on the button that says next at the bottom of this interface. Here tap on the second option that says some of your information. Then scroll down a bit and then select the option that says messages. Now once you choose messages, tap on next button again. Then tap on download to device. Now from here you have to choose the date range. Tap on date range and you have to select the date range that you would like to download your messages from. After that, tap on save. Here scroll down a bit, then you have to provide your Gmail account. If that's your Gmail account, then you have to tap on create file. Now once your information is ready, you can download it from here or it will be available in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.